الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى الطيبين الطاهرين
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
The previous speakers were very nice and I assure you that I won't be. Because when you are dealing with these kind of people who are behind us, then you have to deal the way they deal with you. So I will deal in a different way. Let's look at the history. Bunch of robbers, terrorists came into power in Saudi Arabia.
Yes, sir.
They were following another criminal, his name was Ibn Taymiyyah.
Yes, sir.
And following that criminal, they came into power. They have been in habit of terrorism since the beginning and they are until now.
Yes, sir.
Let's look at who is their enemy, who is their friend. Their enemy are Christian, Jews, and all the Muslims except the Wahhabis. They are the enemy of everyone. So basically they are the enemies of humanity.
Yes, sir.
They do not see anybody coming into power. They want their own power. And to keep them in power, they want to do anything that they want to. They can destroy anything. They don't have any rules. They can be friend of Muslim Brotherhood, but they can be enemy of them at the same time. They can have a friendship with a country for the sake of their kingdom, the so-called kingdom. Bunch of idiots actually.
Yes, sir.
And then when the need is over, they will just kick them out. These idiots, actually these are the ones where the terrorism comes from. They are the source of terrorism.
Yes, sir.
From them comes the terrorism all over the world.
Yes, sir.
Imagine if they are wiped out, there will be no terrorism in the world.
Yes, sir.
I promise you there will be no terrorist.
Yes,
There
sir.
will be no suicide bomber. There will be no killer. They are the source of terrorism.
Yes, sir.
And the devil sitting here, he is in charge of terrorism. The mother of all terrorism comes from this house and the house of Saud.
Yes, sir.
This is not the headquarter.
Yes,
The
sir.
headquarter is in Najd,
Yes, sir.
in Riyadh. Our beloved Prophet said that the horn of devil will come out from Najd.
Yes, sir.
And Wahhabiyat, the Wahhabism came out from Najd. So these idiots, those who think that they are very smart and they have a lot of money and they can do whatever they want to do, they should know what goes around comes around.
That's right.
Time is over. You went to Yemen and you will never come out.
Yes,
You
sir.
killed so many. Wait till your death is coming to you
Oh, yes.
and gets you.
Oh, yes.
Time is ticking. Few more days.
That's
The
right.
kingdom of Pharaoh was gone. Is gone.
Yes.
The big kingdoms are gone. Powerful Roman Empire is gone.
Yes,
So who
sir.
are you?
That's right.
You are not even counted among them. You are actually bunch of idiots, robbers, terrorists.
Yes, sir.
Terrorists.
Al-Saud terrorist. 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 Al-Saud terrorist.
Brothers and sisters, trust me. Nobody is born in this world with a hatred in his heart for anyone. We don't hate them just because we are born with that. No, we hate them because they hate everyone.
Yes, sir.
You and me, they hate them. Not only me and you, they hate our Prophet.
Yes,
They
sir.
hate the family of the Prophet.
Yes, sir.
They hate the Sahaba of the Prophet.
Yes, sir.
They hate the revered personalities of Islam.
Yes, sir.
They hate everything except themselves.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why everybody hates them.
Yes, sir.
Even those people who are making them idiots and making money from them, they know that these are idiots and we hate them.
Take money with it.
So these people, in few, maybe next year we don't have to come here.
Inshallah.
Inshallah it will happen that way. The way they are going, it is very soon. And they say that they believe in Khilafat. Why don't you believe in the Khalifa that ISIS selected? What's wrong in him? He is your Khalifa. When there is a Khalifa, then there is no need for a king. There is no need for a princess. Leave your palace, do the bayat.
Abu Bakr
You are the one who created them. Now get the taste of Abu Bakr. If you don't like this Abu Bakr, there is one Boko Harami. He is in Africa. He is also Abu Bakr. He says, I am the Khalifa. Go and do the bayat. If you really believe in Islam, if you are the custodian, the so-called custodian, actually you are the biggest embezzler of the holy shrines. You are the ones who are making money from Kaaba. You are the ones who are making money from Jannatul Baqi. You are the one who are making money from each and every Haji. You are the biggest embezzler of the world. The biggest robber in white clothes. But you are not white. In heart, your heart, the core of your heart is so dark, so black, it's still in darkness. And it will remain in darkness. And that is why we are here. To wake you up from the slumber. One day, maybe this year, or next year, who knows when it happens. You will be destroyed and nobody will remember you. And we will inshallah go back to Jannatul Baqi by our own hands. May my wish and your wish is fulfilled. By our own hand, we put brick by brick to make the mausoleum of Imam Hassan alayhi salam, Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam, Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam, and Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam. You are the one who destroyed it. You are the destructor. You have the destructive personality, destructive attitude. We are the ones who make it. We will make it. And we will make it inshallah. Therefore, we curse them. We ask Allah to have His curse on them. These terrorists who are sitting there, and their kings and their queens and their princes, do not even think about Rasulullah, the Prophet, and his beloved family. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.